Ang sabi po ni Attorney Mark Tolentino when I interviewed him last week, baliktad po ang storya. A couple of bullet points he said, sir, it's not a honey trap plot because kapag trap, future daw. Ang sinasabi niya, nangyari ito 2022 to 2025. Yun po ang kanyang sinasabi. And he said that it was this alias Ken na lumapit kay ex-Congressman Jing Paras to ask him to finance a movie, to which the ex-congressman said no. And then, alias Ken said, okay, he offered the testimony that para sa halagang 6 million pesos, gagawa kami ng affidavit kung ano nangyari noong 2022 to 2025 and name these particular personalities. What do you say to that, sir?
Well, siguro doon sa puntong honey trap, doon nagkaroon ng confusion talaga. Kasi ang paniwala ng iba sa storya, yung 5 babaeng nahuli namin na-rescue namin for human trafficking and Celia Skin, yung 5 na yon ay isasalang kay ipapain, kay E.S. Recto. Hindi po ganoon. Sabi ko nga, yung pong human trafficking case is daw ongoing. In fact, hanggang ngayon, nakakulong po, nakadetain sa amin si Elias Ken. Ang nangyari po dito is purely an accident na lumabas yung storya.
Yeah.
At hindi honey trap, kundi gagawan ng trump-up cases, gagawa ng mga kaso because of the encouragement of former Congressman Jing Paras. So, ngayon, ang nangyayari po is the word of yung salita ni former Congressman at salita nitong si
Alias Ken, exactly. That's where I wanted to go, sir.
Pero may corroboration yung pong kay Alias Ken eh. May isa ring testigo, si Alias Jen. At hindi lang po yun. Meron pa po kaming ibang mga
video.
Hindi lang po video, witnesses.
There are other witnesses,
There are other
sir.
witnesses, which I will not name names muna po ngayon. Nung
Respect
tinanong po
that,
ako,
sir.
Ma'am Pinky, sabi sa akin ng isang reporter, gaano po ba kalakas yung ebidensya nyo? Eh, sabi ko, kasi lakas ni Superman yung ebidensya. And that is very factual. In fact, may isang nag-interview po sa akin nung Sabado na sabi niya, 25 years na ako sa investigative journalism. The tone ng salita mo, you're very confident. And tama po because I've seen the pieces of evidence, I've seen the documents, I've seen the CCTV, pati po records ng mga iba pang gamit na nandoon at mga testimonya po ng mga iba pang tao.